3 months ago, the Philippine customer ordered the medium-capacity snack food production line from our company. After the production line is completed and shipped to the customer's factory, our after-sales engineers come to the customer's factory to install and debug the production line. The customer uses this production line to produce products such as crispy rice, puffed rice, puffed corn sticks, potato chips and nutritional rice. The production line is simple to operate, has a high degree of automation, is durable and can produce a wide variety of products, and is extremely cost-effective.